That check engine light just popped on. Don't panic. Before you rush to the mechanic and spend big, watch this. I'll show you how to save money, avoid stress, and take control, fast. That light isn't always bad news. Sometimes it's a quick fix you can handle yourself. Stick around. I'll show you the simple steps to beat that dashboard drama and keep your cash. Let's decode the check engine light or malfunction indicator lamp, MIL. Since 1996, every car in the USA has OBD2, a system that monitors your engine and emissions. Sensors all over your car constantly check things like air-fuel mixture and engine temperature. When something's off, a sensor tells the engine control unit, or ECU. The ECU stores a trouble code and turns on the check engine light. The light itself doesn't tell you what's wrong, it just means a code is stored. The issue could be minor or serious, but most of the time, it's a simple fix. The check engine light is just a messenger. Hey, check this out. Once you have the trouble code, you're no longer in the dark. Look up the code, and you'll know what system has a problem. This is your first step to taking control and avoiding unnecessary repair bills. Knowledge is power. Let's use it. That check engine light just came on. Don't panic. Before you call a mechanic, there's one free thing you should always check first. Check your gas cap. Seriously, a loose or faulty gas cap is one of the most common reasons for that warning light. If the cap isn't tight, your car thinks there's a leak. Even a tiny gap can trigger the sensor. Pull over, turn off the car, and tighten the cap until it clicks. That click means it's sealed. If the cap or seal looks worn, replace it. It's cheap and easy. The light might not go off right away. Drive normally for a day or two and see if it resets. Don't waste money at the shop before trying this. Start with the gas cap. It could save you a lot. If the check engine light is still on after you've checked the gas cap, it's time to take the next step, using an OBD2 scanner. This handy device is your gateway to understanding what's really going on under the hood. Don't worry, OBD2 scanners are affordable, simple to use, and widely available. You can pick one up at any auto parts store or online for just $20 or $30, making it a smart investment for any car owner. Every car sold in the US since 1996 comes equipped with an OBD2 port. You'll usually find it tucked away under the dashboard, near the steering wheel. Sometimes it's hidden, but it's always there. To use the scanner, simply plug it into the port, then turn your ignition to the on position. No need to start the engine. The scanner will power up and connect to your car's computer system automatically. On the scanner, select the Read Codes option. Within seconds, you'll see a code pop up on the screen, something like P0420 or P0301. These codes are the language your car uses to tell you what's wrong. Write down the code exactly as it appears. Don't clear it just yet. The code is your main clue to diagnosing the issue, and you'll want it handy for reference. Many scanners will give you a brief description of the problem, but for more details, you can always look up the code online or in your car's manual. There are tons of resources to help you interpret what the code means. With this information, you're on equal footing with the mechanic. You know exactly what your car is reporting, without having to pay for a diagnostic fee at the shop. The OBD2 scanner often pays for itself the very first time you use it, saving you both time and money. Instead of guessing what's wrong, you're now diagnosing the problem with real data. This takes the mystery out of car repairs. Having the code in hand puts you in control of the repair process. You can decide whether to fix it yourself or talk to a mechanic with confidence. For any car owner, an OBD2 scanner is one of the best investments you can make. It empowers you to understand and maintain your vehicle. So, let's plug in and find out what your car is really trying to tell you. Now you have your code, but should you keep driving? The check engine light's behavior tells you a lot. If it's solid, it usually means a non-emergency. Often safe to drive if the car feels normal. Still, get it checked soon. If the light is flashing, that's serious. Usually a major misfire that can destroy your catalytic converter fast. Flashing means stop. Pull over safely and turn off the engine. Don't risk a simple fix turning into a $1,000 repair. Solid light. Proceed with caution. Flashing light. Stop immediately. Let the light guide your next move. Most common trouble codes are cheap and easy to fix. Codes like P0442 or P0455, often just a loose gas cap or a cracked vacuum hose, fixable for a few bucks. P0171 or P0174, usually a vacuum leak or cracked air intake hose, $10 fix. P0301, P0302, etc., misfire in a cylinder, often a spark plug or ignition coil. Easy DIY. Oxygen sensor codes like P0135 or P0420, sensors wear out and are simple to replace. A shop might charge hundreds, but you can do most of these repairs for under $50. Don't let a scary code intimidate you. With a little effort, you can fix most issues yourself. Save big by handling these common problems at home. Your wallet will thank you. You fixed the problem, but the light's still on. Time to clear the code. Plug your scanner back in, turn the ignition to on, and select Clear Codes. Confirm, and the check engine light should turn off. Now take the car for a test drive, city, highway, and idle. The computer will run self-checks. If the light stays off after a day or two, you're good. If it comes back on with the same code, the problem isn't fully fixed. Don't get discouraged. Sometimes repairs take a couple of tries. If you're stuck, consider a trusted mechanic, but most of the time, you'll solve it yourself. Clearing the code is the final step to a successful DIY repair. Enjoy the satisfaction and the savings. Just as important as what to do is what not to do. Don't ignore the light or cover it with tape. That's asking for trouble. Don't disconnect the battery to clear the code. You'll erase valuable info and reset your car's systems. The problem will still be there and the light will return. Use a scanner to read and clear codes the right way. Don't let fear push you into expensive, unnecessary repairs. Always ask for explanations and second opinions if a shop quotes a big repair. With your own scanner and knowledge, you can have smarter conversations with mechanics. Don't be an easy target. Stay informed, stay calm, and don't waste money on guesswork. Be smart about your car care. Your car is your property. Don't let dealerships call the shots. That check engine light is a tool, not a trap. With a basic scanner and a little know-how, you can handle most issues yourself. Every fix builds your confidence and saves you money. For tough jobs, you'll be a smarter customer, less likely to get ripped off. See the light as an opportunity to learn and save. Take charge, trust your abilities, and keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket. Now get out there and drive smart.